Hey, welcome back. Hope everybody's doing okay. Like always, I'm going to take this time, thank all my subscribers, and for those who leave a comment, it's truly appreciated. Hey, everybody, this is George, also known as Florida Railroad Dog from the NikoRoman Railroad. I have a little, it's not a review, it's a recommendation. Because once you see the pictures that this little video camera takes, and for the price, it's amazing. Let me turn it around and show it to you. I was looking for a little camera so I could shoot videos while the train is moving, in front of the train or behind the train. And I went on Amazon and I found this Dragon 4K Ultra High Definition Dragon Touch. It comes in this case. It looks like one of those GoPros. And it brings 2 batteries, a remote control, and I put a 64 card in there. Doesn't bring the card, you got to get a separate card. But it's wireless, Wi-Fi, and you download the app on your phone and you can control the camera on your phone. And this little remote control has for either pictures or videos. I think I paid $64 for this thing. It brings several bases for your car, for a bicycle, for a helmet. Different ones. I put them away. I think I got one right here. Different ones of these. And you can actually, got 2 or 3 of them. You can actually put them on the layout, different spots on the layout, and just hook the camera there. And you have a still camera. The only thing it doesn't bring is like a tripod, so I could film from behind me looking down. Eventually I'm gonna get a tripod for it. But for the price of $64, I got it overnight. I got Amazon Prime. This thing takes amazing videos in 4K. And we'll go to it now so you can see it, how I put it behind my train. And I build a little base. Let me show you the little base. You go over here. I build this little base. This is a little base that it brings with it. So what I did is I screwed it to one of these things, and you could either put it in front or behind the train. And you let the train pull it in the camera. And that's what I did, and you'll see the video shortly. There we go. If you look, you can see how crystal clear this picture is. And when you're moving, you don't have any blurriness or anything like that. I still can't believe for the price I paid that this camera is such a good value. I brought out the box. It's going to be a Dragon Touch Action Camera Vision 3. And it's got 16 megapixels, 4K at 30 frames per second, 170-degree viewing angle, Wi-Fi. Made in China. And there's your resolutions. It's an awesome little camera. Get it at Amazon if you want something cheap to video your layout with. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, thumbs up, subscribe, click that little bell button. Hey, happy railroading. Bye.